Hey, what's up? This is my Honda 300EX. It's an 02. It's all original plastics and everything. Got a DC sticker. Moose Racing handlebars, powermadd handguards, trail tech headlights. You know, honor of my grandfather. Fox Racing sticker. My favorite sticker. It's basically all stock. Talking engine-wise, it's all stock, I guess. And my last little special add-on is my HMF Sports Series slip-on. So I guess I'll get a sound clip of that. And that's about it, because, yeah, see ya.